Question 9 says Nate walks 25 meters in 13.7 seconds. If he walks at this same rate, which of the following is closest to the distance he will walk in 4 minutes? So the way I recommend we do this problem is to go very logically, one step at a time. And since your final answer is in meters, that's a unit, instead of a rate like meters per second or something per something, it's just in meters. We're going to start with something that's just a unit, like minutes. So we start with 4 minutes. 4 minutes. And then we're going to multiply and work all the way until we get meters. So 4 minutes, I'm trying to go to seconds. So the first thing I'll do is I'll convert from minutes to seconds. And this one we have to know that 1 minute contains 60 seconds. This takes us all the way to seconds already. But we got to keep going until we have meters. So now we need one more fraction. And we have 25 meters, 13.7 seconds. Now remember, seconds has to be on the bottom because you have to cancel with these seconds. So 13.7 will be on the bottom. And 25 meters will be on the numerator. I'll write the full word out, meters. And these will cancel. And you notice that the only unit remaining is meters because everything else has been canceled. And we want meters. So we are good. So this will be the answer. So now we have to put all this in the calculator, and I'll show you a couple ways to get this done. One way, 4 times 60 times 25. 4 times 60 times 25, and then you divide by the product of the denominator. In this case, we're lucky there's a 1 there, so 1 times 13.7. And this is the answer, 437. That's why it's going to be B when we pick the closest one. But to put it in a fraction is neater. 4 times 60 times 25, and the denominator will be 1 times 13.7. And you still get the same answer. Now, if there's a 1, you can ignore it because 1 multiplied by something doesn't change anything. You can ignore all the 1s, but sometimes you have other numbers besides 1, and you have to include those. In any case, the answer is about 438, and the closest one we have to what we had in the calculator was 450, so the answer is B.